Hello, welcome once again to this channel. Today I'll be taking you through fully funded PhD in chemistry. I have about 10 schools I'll be taking you through. So take your time, go through this video so that you wouldn't miss any opportunity. Please like, share, comment so that others too can benefit from this video. The first one we are taking a look at is Emory University Department of Chemistry. This is the school's page. They are waiving the $75 application fee. So if you want to apply to this school, you can send in application fee waiver request form, and then in turn they will waive the $75 application fee for you. But then let's go straight into the funding for those who are admitted into their PhD program. So they are offering $37,467 based stipend. So we are going to be giving a general stipend for those who are admitted into this program, and then 100% tuition subsidy and insurance waiver. We are going to be giving a tuition fee waiver and then also insurance waiver. So this is the funding they have for those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry. The second one we are taking a look at is the University of Notre Dame. Let's look at the funding. This is the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry. Let's look at the funding they have for those who are admitted into their PhD program. So they are offering 123 internal fellowships, and then you'll be given a 12-month stipend on top of full tuition waiver. So you are going to be given about $35,000 stipend on top of your full tuition fee waiver. So that is University of Notre Dame Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry. The third one we are taking a look at is Princeton University Department of Chemistry. This is the school's page. Let's look at the funding they are also giving to those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. So they are having application fee waiver. Then they are having financial support for those who are admitted into their PhD program. So let's read something. It says all students receive full financial support for the length of their course of study through fellowships, teaching, and advisor support. This support is not a loan and does not require repayment. Students are provided tuition, health insurance, and a stipend for housing and living expenses. So they are fully funding those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. So that is Princeton University Department of Chemistry. The next one we are taking a look at is Purdue University Department of Chemistry. So they are also offering full funding for those who are admitted into their PhD program. Let's look at something here. It says first year PhD students admitted to our PhD program can expect to receive an offer of financial support through a teaching assistantships with a generous monetary stipend, a full tuition waiver, and a waiver of most fees. A combined support package valued at nearly $70,000 per year. So they are giving full funding to those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. So that is Purdue University Department of Chemistry. The fifth one we are taking a look at is the University of Alabama at Birmingham. So they are also offering full funding for those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. So this is the school's page. So they are also offering full funding for those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. The sixth one we are taking a look at is the University of California, Los Angeles, Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry. So they are also offering funding for those who are admitted into their PhD program. Let's look at something here. It says the department funds tuition, student fees, health insurance, and an annual stipend for living expenses for students enrolled in the program. So they are also offering full funding for those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. Apart from that, they have extra fellowship that one can also opt for. So they have several fellowships here. So you can go to the university's page and then you can send to be considered for these scholarships. They have several opportunities and then funding for those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry. So that is the University of California, Los Angeles. The next one we are taking a look at is Stanford. Stanford University Department of Chemistry. This is the school's page, so they are also offering funding for those who are admitted into their PhD program. So they have research and then teaching assistantship positions and then fellowship positions that students can qualify for, and then in turn they give you full tuition waiver, a stipend, and then health insurance cover. So these are the funded. It says all graduate students in good standing have received full financial support, tuition and stipend for the duration of their graduate studies at Stanford. So the moment you are admitted into this program, you'll be given full funding. That will cover for your tuition fee. You'll be given a monthly stipend and then health insurance cover. In addition, they have other fellowships. That one can also apply to. The next one we are taking a look at is the University of Alabama at Birmingham Department of Chemistry. This is the school's page, so they are also offering full funding for those who are admitted into their PhD program. You become a teaching assistant and then in turn they waive your tuition fee for you, give a monthly stipend and then health insurance cover. So this is graduate teaching assistantship position that one you would get. So you work for 20 hours per week and then in turn they'll give you full tuition waiver. So you see assistantships include a competitive monthly stipend in addition to a tuition scholarship covering full tuition and fees. So this is it. So you teach and then they will waive your tuition fee for you and give you monthly stipend. And then they have extra fellowships too. So when you get this fellowship, you can get an annual stipend of $32,000 per year. So they have the graduate teaching assistantship position, and then we have a University of Alabama Birmingham Graduate Fellowship Program. So this is the funding they have for those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. The last but one school we are looking at is Rutgers University School of Arts and Sciences. This is the Department of Chemistry Graduate Program. The Department of Chemistry. Let's get the funding. So they are also offering funding for those who are admitted into their PhD program. Funding comes in the form of fellowship, graduate research assistantships or teaching assistantships, and then in turn they'll give you a tuition fee waiver, a monthly stipend, and then health insurance cover. So let's look at something it says. So full-time PhD students are financially supported either through fellowships, graduate assistantships, or teaching assistantships. The starting assistantship stipend for 2024-2025 is $36,395, including full tuition benefits and then health insurance benefits. And then this is open to both domestic and then international students. And then they have full coverage of graduate tuition, total value of package, that is including health benefits and tuition, as well over $50,000 per year. And then they have extra additional grants, travel grants, that one can also get. So they are offering full funding for those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. So that is Rutgers University Department of Chemistry. The last one we are taking a look at is Penn State University. This is the Department of Chemistry. So they are also offering funding for those who are admitted into their PhD in chemistry program. So they have financial assistantships, they have teaching assistantships, research assistantships, and other fellowships that one can opt for. So the graduate assistantships, you become a teaching assistant or a research assistant, and then in turn they'll waive your teaching fee for you, give you a monthly stipend, and then health insurance cover. So these are the universities that offer full funding for their PhD in chemistry program. Please like, share, comment so that others can benefit from this video.